The need to provide safe, clean and hygienic environments has never been greater. Even in the cleanest of surroundings, harmful bacteria, fungi and mold can multiply on surfaces, leading to infection and illness. Germs, bacteria and mold can thrive in between the joints and grout of traditional ceramic tiling and cracks in paintwork. BioClad is a brand new antimicrobial PVC wall cladding that is ideal for any environment where hygiene is paramount. Manufactured using silver-ion antimicrobial technology, BioClad ensures continuous protection that is guaranteed for the lifetime of the building, inhibiting the growth of bacteria such as MRSA, E. coli, Legionella and Salmonella. It is seamless, maintenance-free and has been designed with easy-to-clean preformed corners. Specific zones within the care home, such as shower rooms, bathrooms and corridors, and patient rooms, can be selected with BioClad walling in a range of complementary colours to reduce the risk where infection control is most required.